How to add Poly to Slack. So right here from the left hand side, we will simply scroll down until we see the option to add apps and click on add apps. And from the search bar, we will search for Poly. You will be able to see the application here. So instant engagement through polls, surveys, stand-ups, and trivia. If we click on add, then we can choose again here, add to Slack. It will ask us for permissions, which we will allow. And then this will connect Poly to Slack, and I'm going to show you how you can access it. So here, welcome to Poly. Add Poly now to Slack and get started. If we click on continue, we will choose what we'll use Poly for. So we'll do our work, choose your interest, HR, okay, finish up. And now we can create some questions, trivia, startups. But if we go back here, I'm going to go back to my Slack. We can see Poly right here in the apps section. So if we click on it, then we can get some information how Poly works. We can also configure it here. I'm going to go back to the home page and I'm just going to go to Poly. So messages here, we can create a Poly. We can get help. We can contact them. If we click on create a Poly, then we can do build the right Poly for your needs. So what is your audience? So I'm going to do teams and coworkers. What is your goal? Collect general feedback. And we can do a suggestion box. We can do ask me anything. We can do monthly snack refreshment. So basically you will fill this out to your needs and use it however you would like. But I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.